it's going to be an inside underarm turn. It means inside underarm turn, and it's going to come off the left turning box. All right, so gentlemen, you already know how to do that. So let's get started with this angle. Closed position, left turning box, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. So let's do another angle here. Ready? And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let's do another angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Nicely done. So, what I want you to do is I want you to go through this, take your time. Remember, ladies, you're doing a left turning box with him, but you're doing an inside underarm turn. Gentlemen, you're going to lead that to the inside, follow that instruction, follow that movement. Quick and easy. This is a quick view, so if you need more instruction, go back to the private lesson style. Okay? So, we'll see you back for the next pattern.